StarXTerminator version 2.0 just came out today, and when I saw it I was really excited. The version upgrade includes a new neural network architecture, and it improves a million things. So is it a game changer? Is it a reason to buy it if you have not bought it already? I did the test, I have the answer, and the result is quite surprising. This is View into Space. I'm Sasha from Switzerland, so grüezi miteinander and thanks for watching my channel. But before we get to the juicy details about StarXTerminator, a word from my sponsor, which is, given I don't have a sponsor, myself. The guys from Google tell me that only 10% of my viewers actually subscribe to my channel, which means there is a 90% chance that you have not subscribed yet, right? So if you haven't subscribed, could you please just do it now? Because subscribing, and you might not know that, is the most crucial part for any YouTuber. Anyway, back to the main topic, StarXTerminator version 2.0. As stated, I was quite excited because the last upgrade to version, I think it was 1.3, really brought some great features with them, like the batch processing. And Russell told me already there, just wait for version 2.0 with the new AI model. It will blow you away. So, did it? Let's be clear about that. This version upgrade is just about how good StarXTerminator can exterminate the stars. It has not really much more features. It's just the quality of the star extermination, which, according to Russell, has been improved. And while with the noise exterminator, Russell has practically no competition at all, because you cannot really take easy denoise seriously. But here with the star extermination, there is Starnet++, and that's quite a serious competition, especially because Starnet++ is free and you have to pay for the StarXTerminator. So while they were very close up until now from the level of StarXTermination, this might be now the moment where the StarXTerminator can really get a step ahead and make itself the absolute favorite. So to test that, I did the following. I got to my archive and I took 4 stacked pictures which were not otherwise processed, so not stretched, in their format right out of the stacking. And my philosophy when testing stuff like that is perfect data can anyone process. So I would assume if you get a perfect star picture in Starnet++ or StarXTerminator, they come flawless as an output, right? So to really test them, I took some crappy pictures. And I was curious how both softwares could deal with it. So but before we go now to my computer and look at the results, there is one category where StarXTerminator absolutely nailed it. And that's the processing time. StarXTerminator was more than 3 times faster than Starnet++ in removing the stars. But now let's go to the computer and look at the results. Okay, and welcome to my computer and to PixInsight. So here we have the 4 original pictures, then we have the versions where the stars were removed with Starnet, and here we have the versions where the stars were removed with StarXTerminator. So let's start with the first, M17. Looks nice at the first glance, but if you look, for example, at this part here, it is horrific. We have definitely some back focus issues, and there's actually much more issues here going on. So let's see what the different softwares were able to do. So let's start with Starnet++. Starnet did a very good job here at the core, no residual stars. It had a little bit an issue up here in the corner, and obviously in the weird corner it could not remove everything. Not perfect, but not bad. So let's see what StarXTerminator did. If it's better, I think you see what I see. It's much, much worse. If you look here, even stars in the nebula, which are actually not even that bad, were not excluded. And it goes around much, much deeper into the nebula than with Starnet++. This corner here, it almost removed all the stars, Starnet++, and here we have still a ton of star left also down here. So absolutely 1-0 for Starnet++. Let's see the next one, M20. Very nice picture at the core, also some issues on the outsides. Also a little bit blurry probably, but still, quality-wise much better. Let's see how both dealt with that. Starnet++, almost perfect. There's some little residue here, but not to mention. Well done. Let's look at StarXTerminator. And again, there's so much more residue than with Starnet++. Look at here. The whole left area is still full of stars. And also up here we have more stars than with Starnet++. Quality-wise, otherwise there is no difference at all. So there is no reason now to say, well, okay, the weird stars he left, but otherwise it would have done it better. No, they're absolutely equivalent. When you look here at the core, just StarXTerminator has not removed the stars, right, in the outstretches. So 2-0 for Starnet++. Let's go to M57. Yes, in this stretch format now it looks ugly, but anyway. From a star point of view, it has a lot of stars in there. Let's see what happened. Starnet++. There's a few left here which you couldn't remove, but mostly everything removed. Let's look at StarXTerminator. I think this is the worst one until now. This is really bad. Even around the main objects, there's stars left. So unusable in this situation here. And now let's go to M100. This is especially interesting because these are galaxies, it's not nebulas. We also have here some very strange flare from this bright star. There's also some vignetting still in there, so yeah, a lot of issues with this picture. So a good opportunity again for both candidates to show what they can do. This is Starnet++. I think not bad. There's some stars which also could be galaxies, who knows, which are still left. The galaxies are untouched, they're okay. Obviously the flare still in there. Quite a good job for such a crappy picture. Let's look now at StarXTerminator. And again, so much more stars which are left. And also here, you couldn't even say you have to use it because it would deal better with the galaxies. It's the same. I would even say even here Starnet is a tad bit better. So by all means, this is a very clear 4-0 for Starnet++. Sometimes it's just the outer skirt with the really crappy stars. Sometimes it's really so many stars which were not removed by StarXTerminator that the product really gets unusable. Quite surprising, I have to say. So, and here we are again. Wow, I did not expect that. Did you expect that? So the question is now, what does it all mean? I think first of all, needless to say, I'm quite disappointed. Because if you're stating that you created a new AI model and Starnet++ is there all along, you should at least be as good as Starnet++. On the other side, we have to be clear. These were crappy pictures. I absolutely admit that, and I did this with intent. Which means in reverse, if you have a good picture, StarXTerminator will do a good job, and it will do it 3 times faster than Starnet++. So if you have already StarXTerminator and you regularly produce good pictures, then I would say just go for it. But always know that if you're dissatisfied with the result that the StarXTerminator outputs, just try it with Starnet++, and it might fix the issue. So I hope this was helpful. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. And did I already mention to subscribe? Clear skies, and see you next time.